Patrick, I've been reading your brilliant book, The Oxygen Advantage, and I've been reading about the BOLT score, so I wonder if you could talk me through it.
Of course. I'll talk you through it. It doesn't matter what you get, it's just to give you feedback. It's only a matter of how many seconds does it take until you feel the first definite desire to breathe.
Okay.
So if you take a normal breath in and out through your nose, Rangan, and then hold your breath, pinch your nose. I'm timing it in seconds, and continue holding your breath until you feel the first definite desire to breathe or the first involuntary contraction of the breathing muscles. When you resume breathing, your breathing should be normal. This is not the length of maximum breath hold time. This is the comfortable breath hold time, and I will give you feedback on that. So try and determine now, do you feel air hunger? Have you any involuntary contraction of the breathing muscles? Do you feel that's it? It's 24 seconds. Your breath was just a small little bit elevated, so probably not 24, and you see there that your breathing is just a little bit faster. So it's probably realistic, we're talking about 21, 22 seconds. If it's less than 25 seconds, we are more likely to have breathing pattern disorders. We want a minimum of 25 seconds, a maximum of 40 seconds. The higher the BOLT scores, dyspnea or breathlessness reduces. So in terms of sports, it's a measurement of the onset and endurance of breathlessness. If your BOLT score increases, your breathing is lighter, both during rest and during physical exercise. Lighter breathing during rest, we don't run out of air as quick. Now you're right there on the border of functional breathing because 25 seconds is that mark. And if you're above 25 seconds, there is an 89% chance that this functional breathing is not present.